Hello everyone, this is Fazal Ur Rahman here from codebook.in. Hope you are enjoying my project videos. Today I brought your project on cybersecurity domain. The concept is cyberbullying. Okay, it's in social media platform. Let us see how this concept is very common in nowadays, because in Twitter we will see, Facebook will see, uh, cyberbullying will occur very frequently. So what we are trying to do is nothing but we are trying to detect cyberbullying users in this project. Those who are spreading hate speech, those who are spreading some sort of cyberbullying things on internet, especially in social media. We are going to detect those users in this project. So let me tell you what are the technologies this project uses. For front-end technologies, we have used HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. For backend programming, we have used Python programming along with the Django framework, which is the topmost framework in Python. Database, we are using here MySQL. Now, this project is having two different types of users. One is the administrator who will monitor the second user, which is nothing but user itself. Okay, social media user. Now, to execute this project flow, I will open these two different users in different tabs. Let's assume this tab is for administrator, and another tab I'll open in a new tab for user. Now in the user, let's try to register a new user in this project. Some email ID, password, and contact number, country, gender, profile picture. Let's select the profile picture. Register. User added successfully. Okay, now we'll go to login. Here it is. We'll try to log in here. Password. I'll give the wrong password and let's see what application will respond. Invalid login credentials. Let's go to admin now and check what's happening in admin. I will log in with admin credentials. Admin login is successful. Here you can see some dashboard we have designed for administrator, where some information is displayed, like how many pending number of users are there and total number of users, how many blocked users is there and pending unblocked. Okay. Let's go to user management and pending users. Under pending users, we will see here a user is available. Okay, just now what we have registered, and the status is pending. If I want, I can decline this or I can accept this user account. Let's click on accept user account. And now it's gone from the pending users. Now it will be available in all users. Now in the all users, we can see here, this user is available with accepted. Okay, the status is accepted. Now, in administrator, we have got the cyberbullying management portal here, where administrator can add some sort of cyberbullying words to filter from the user side. Let's try to add some words here. Now, in the categories, we have mentioned plenty of categories. You can see these are all the categories which we have mentioned. Okay. Let's try to add some words. Harassment. Under harassment, I'll add some word here. Let's try to add some words in harassment. Irritation. Okay, irritation. Added. The word is added successfully. Now let's go to sexting. So you are so beautiful. Or else, let's say dating. Added. Now, under sexual abuse, we can say here, hot. added. So some words we have added here. Now let's go and check in the view cyberbullying words. Okay, you can see here under this we have got harassment, irritation is there, sexting is there, sexual abuse. These three words we have added in three different categories. If you want, we can delete these words from the administrator. Now let's go to user side and try to log in with the user. Login is successful. No, because the account is activated from the administrator side. Here we can see some sort of user interface very related to Twitter. And here we have some options like post is there, send message is there, my notifications, my profile, like that. Let's go to scroll down below and check it out. These are all the profiles. We can comment also here if you want in case. Okay, we can check out. These are all the comments. Don't be such a loser. So let's type some sort of comment here. Comment. Posted successfully. Okay. Now let's try to post here a new post. Hot pics. Very beautiful girls. Okay, let's choose a file. And here we will select some sort of file and post it. And the posted successfully says here, hot pics, very beautiful girls. Now let's go to administrator and check out what is happening. In administrator, I'll go to detect cyberbullying users and cyberbullying users. I'll go to here. And here you can see 2 times this user have used some keywords. Okay. Cyberbullying words like hot here. Here action is required status. Okay, 2 times. One is at the message and another is the post itself. Now it's up to the administrator whether he want to block this user or he want to warn this user. Let's first of all warn the user. So I'll click on this warn button here. So now it's warned, the user is warned. Let's go to our user and refresh here. Now we have got a notification here. You can see, let's go to notifications. And here we can see we have got a notification from administration. Context is you are so hot. Okay. And subject is you are being warned from us about your recent activity on our platform for practicing cyberbullying. Please don't repeat this on your account will be blank. So here this post he has received. Still, if he is trying, if he uses cyberbullying words again and again, the administrator will block the user account. Now the user will have the option over here to ignore it or to take it seriously. Now let's go to post again and I will post it here. I'll write a comment here. Comment. Okay, posted successfully. Now you can see here under this particular user Jake Paul. Okay, if I go to comment section, I will find this from this user. Let's log out for a while now. And in administrator, if we go and if we check cyberbullying users, okay, we are finding here again there is a user with this name. Okay, let's block this user. I'll click on block, and now this user has been blocked here. Okay, this user is blocked. Let's go to the user and try to log in with the credentials. Now I'm trying the account same account trying to log in again, you are blocked from logging in. Okay, this account is blocked now from the administrator. So in this way, we are trying to protect the privacy of the users to not spread the bullying, cyberbullying detection. If I go to blocked users, I can see here this user is blocked. If the user requested for the account reactivation, and if he is okay contacted to the administrator for not doing any such things online next time, he can unblock. The administrator can unblock the user again. Let's see cyberbullying graph here, and we can see the cyberbullying graph here. 2 times emotional abuse keywords category is used here. Cyberbullying 2 times category is used, and account hacking, corporate attacks, sexual exploitation, sexting. Okay, one time are used here. So this was the complete project execution. Hope you have understood this project concept. If you have any doubts regarding the explanation or execution, you can contact me directly to the number given. With this, I conclude the project execution. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.